we present the Nivel System NL300R rotary laser level. This laser is a continuation of the legendary, popular and highly regarded Nivel System NL300 series. The equipment is delivered with digital technology. Included in the set is a digital sensor with numerical readouts. The laser generates a horizontal plane, which serves as a reference plane for measuring height differences. The laser has been protected against harsh construction site conditions, as confirmed by its IP54 rating. And the most important component, the laser head, is protected by a metal housing. The equipment is simple and easy to use. We can work with an accuracy of up to 1 millimeter over 10 meters and over distances of up to 250 meters. This means the working diameter is 500 meters. The equipment is powered by our currently most powerful standardized Nivel System Akku with a capacity of 8000 mAh. You will also find this system in our crossline lasers. This means that our customers have the option to interchange this battery between the devices they own. Meanwhile, such a large capacity allows the equipment to operate for many hours on the construction site. On the back panel, there is a lithium-ion battery that can be quickly and easily replaced. This system is standardized and fits other Nivel System lasers, including crossline lasers. Function management is carried out via an intuitive control panel. Here, you'll find the power switch. We have the option to lock the compensator, which allows for working with slopes, as well as the ability to use the tilt function, which protects measurements in case of strong vibrations or if the laser is struck. The laser will turn off, alerting the operator that something is wrong with the measurements. The laser level comes with the NL300R digital receiver, whose readings are displayed numerically on the screen. The receiver is characterized by a wide range of laser beam detection. It has a detection width of 105 millimeters and is very precise and durable, even in tough construction site conditions. Nivel System rotary levels are covered by both warranty and post-warranty support. We have a well-developed network of local service centers both in the country and abroad. We offer services such as calibration, inspections, and repairs. You can get more information from our distributors, as well as on our website www.nivelsystem.com.